Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix error code 279 in Roblox. This error is usually caused by network issues, corrupted cache files, or incorrect DNS settings. First, clear the Roblox cache from your browser. Open any browser, click the three dots, and go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then to Third-Party Cookies. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, search for Roblox and press Enter. Delete any instances of Roblox by clicking the Delete icon, then confirm when prompted. Now let's clear local cache files. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. In the Run dialog, type AppData. Then click OK to open File Explorer. Go to the Local folder and open the Temp folder. Inside Temp, locate the Roblox folder, right-click it, and choose Delete. Then go back to AppData and open the LocalLow folder. If you see any Roblox files there, delete them as well. Next, we need to change the DNS settings. Search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Click View Network Status and Tasks, then select your Wi-Fi network. Open Properties, select IPv4 and click Properties again. Enable Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as alternate DNS. Click OK, then close. If the issue still continues, uninstall Roblox and download it again from the official website. Once done, reopen Roblox and check if the error is fixed. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox error code 279. This can be done by clearing cache, changing DNS settings, and reinstalling the game. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.